Hello everyone. In the previous video we completed the Pichwai painting till here. Now in this video we are going to go ahead with the painting part and add more details in the picture. So here I start by taking French ultramarine color and adding it on this part of the horns. I'm using gouache colors as you can see, and the consistency of paint is milky, so it gives me an opaque look here. Now we'll take red color and add it on the dots over here. Now over here add dots in this part as well on this ornament. Be very patient and be very careful while making these dots because you cannot make a mistake here. It has to be perfect. And these dots are very small. I'm using brush number 2 for making these circles here. For painting the dots for this portion, make sure you're painting only 3 dots and there is ample space in between them to add one more dot in between them, because we'll be adding a dot with a different color for this. Next again using red color, add dots here this way next to each other. Now over here take green color and add the remaining dots like this in between them. Add these green dots at the bottom over here as well. Take a very thin brush. I'm using 0 number brush and take black poster color on it or black gouache color on it and use it for making the outline of this picture. You are going to outline everything that you see on the paper. I start from this portion and then move ahead to the other parts of the picture. when you reach to this part over here, for this portion add circles like this. Be very careful. You can also add a pencil sketch first and then use your paintbrush to outline this thing. Repeat the step for the other leaf as well. Now take red color and outline the lotus using it. Again, take black color and add these dots over here near the mouth. And that's it. We are done with our picture.